In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the Threads badge on your Instagram profile. If you'd like your Instagram profile to look a little cleaner or you simply don't want the Threads badge showing under your name, the good news is that this can be done in just a few taps. I'm going to walk you through the process slowly and clearly so it's easy to follow along on your phone. To begin, open Instagram and go to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're there, you'll be looking at your main profile page where your posts, bio, and account details appear. Next, look under your name on the profile page. You should see the Threads badge there. This is the small badge with numbers or symbols that connects to your Threads account and appears as part of your Instagram profile display. Tap on that badge to open its options. After tapping the badge, a menu or prompt will appear with available actions. From there, select Hide Badge. Instagram may ask you to confirm this choice before applying the change. So if a confirmation message appears, go ahead and confirm it. Once you do that, the Threads badge will no longer be visible on your Instagram profile. This is helpful if you prefer a simpler profile appearance or if you just don't want that extra element displayed publicly. One important thing to keep in mind is that this action hides the badge from your profile, but it does not delete your Threads account. It simply removes the visible badge from your Instagram page. So if your goal is only to clean up your profile without affecting your account access, this is the option you want. If you don't immediately see the change, try refreshing your profile or closing and reopening the app. Sometimes small profile updates can take a moment to appear. And that's it. Go to your Instagram profile, tap the Threads badge under your name, choose Hide Badge, and confirm your selection. It's a quick and simple adjustment that can make your profile look more streamlined. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.